Hello and welcome to the chapter number 1 of moral science, that is understanding feelings and needs. In the famous words of Parthasarthi Rajagopalachari, he said that a person must learn to be patient, loving, and above all, learn to listen to others until they have finished. What does he mean by saying this? In the simple words, we can say that every individual should be patient in each and every situation he faces in the life. Either it is good or bad situation, either he is a rich man or a poor man, he should be patient at all situations. Having faith in God and having patience, we can win each and every battle fought by us or by our inner self in front of others. We shall be loving towards all. It means we shall be loving to all. It means we shall show love to our elders, to our youngers, and all the people around us, whether they are animals too. Loving means to show the affection and care in front of anybody whom we are with. Thus, a question arises, how can we be loving to all? And the answer is, we should be always communicate with people with non-violent communication. It means we should be polite to others when they interact with us. We need to do each and every work communicating in a good way, being with others. Non-violent communications help us in well-being and help us to grow also. So here also one question arises, that how can we create non-violent communication? So first of all, we need to understand the feelings of the person in front of us. What he is feeling, either good or bad, either whether the person is comfortable or not being with us, we need to understand the feelings of the people. When we meet any person or a stranger, we don't know about him. We create an aura that he should be comfortable with us, remaining with us all the day long or working with us. Then we try to understand the feelings of the same person who is working with us. So, how can we understand the feelings? We can understand the feelings of the person in front of us by understanding the emotion of that person. When we come in the contact with the person may not express himself in the words or in the simple words, but he tries to explain us in the very simple way. He can feel different when we try to understand him, when we try to understand his words he tells in front of us. By this, we can solve the problem of the person who is in need. So, it is necessary to understand one's feelings and needs. So, now the question arises again, how we can understand the feelings of others. The answer is, we can understand the feelings of the others by feeling the emotions of the person. The emotions and feelings of the person are different. Generally saying, emotions are literally energy in motion. They are responses which energizes us. What are our feelings? Our feelings are the awareness and leveling we subscribe to an emotion. As a human being, we don't have a limited ability to do this. We don't have any verbal language to communicate to others very deeply, but we can show our feelings by some actions. When we are sad, we don't feel good, but the person related to us understands us. He can clearly rectify our problems and takes out the solution to this. So, the feelings are the key that liberate us. It brings us full aliveness and responsibility. So, when we improve our emotions, literally, we gain freedom within us. When we relax our mind, we feel that it is very good. When we close our eyes, we can feel the difference within us. We relax our mind and think over the happenings that went through the whole day. We can relate the problems, what happened to us. Thus, we ourselves need the problems to be solved. When we try to understand our own feelings, then we can solve any problems. When we feel good, then we understand that what is the need of ourselves. So, it is said that when we truly understand our feelings, we can also say that we need certain things to fulfill our lives. Thank you.